Hello everyone. How to make keychain at home with the Mouldit. Material use a plastic sheet to cover a table or a surface where you work. Mold it. A big box I'm using. You can use a small 20 rupees one packet of Mouldit which comes with two things. One is a hardener, another is a resin. So just take out a half hardener, half resin, because we are just going to make one small keychain. You can make a big keychain also, your choice, your wish. And now I'm going to apply some talcum powder over the surface and on my hand, because this solution which we are using is quite sticky. So apply some talcum powder over your hand and the surface which you use. Now keep using this dough, this clay, like आटा. How we use आटा को जैसे गूंथते हैं, same way you just keep applying your pressure over the clay, over the dough, till it get mixed properly. Mixing is very important. It take few minutes. Now we are ready with our dough. Make it half and start making a base. I'm going to make Ganapati Bappa keychain. So first I am making a leaf shape. On that I'll make Ganapati Bappa's idol. So this is a looking like a heart shape, but we are going to make it like a leaf shape. And now you see it is getting shaped. Here are some veins. I am drawing some veins with the help of pencil. I'm giving a dot method, that is called as a stripling also. You can utilize or use anything what is pointed. And now this is the loop which I am making to put a keychain, the chain in a ring. So this is a loop ready. Even you can use this as a pendant also. Next is the main body of Ganesha, a base. Here this I have converted into one side leg. This is another side leg, a simple shape, and you will see Ganapati Bappa is ready. This is the face of Ganesha. And now I'm going to make ears. From center I'll cut it, give a shape of ears, place it there. Now another side. Next you are going to place eyes with the help of pencil and let it get dry for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Let's begin with the color. Now here I wish that use green color for the leaf, so I am using green, yellow and blue. Towards the dark surface I am placing some blue color to give some dark. Next is a green color, and outer side I am going to place yellow color. This lemon yellow is going to lose the identity, so don't worry, there is absolutely no problem. As you know, we are going to cover entire place. We are not going to leave any of the place on the object we made. Next I'll take orange color and place it over Ganesh idol. Choose the colors which you like and fill everywhere. Do not leave any space. As you can see, I'm coloring entire place on object. Keep rotating your keychain as per your convenience. So I feel you all should say with me, Ganapati Bappa Moria. And now you see Ganesha is ready. Keychain is ready. Just add chain and a ring from your old keychain. Same way, make a keychain of your choice which you like to make. One more time, Ganapati Bappa Moria. So for what you are waiting now? Like, share, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Till that, stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Bye bye. Have a nice day.